First is monetary policy and broader economic development. Monetary policy managed by central banks influences the supply of money and credit in an economy. Here's how it contributes to broader economic development. First, interest rates management. Central banks adjust interest rates to stimulate or cool down economic activity. Lower rates encourage borrowing and investment, while higher rates encourage borrowing and spending, aiming to maintain stable inflation and sustainable growth. Next is inflation control. By managing money and interest rates, central banks aim to keep inflation within a target range. Stable prices promote consumer and business confidence, encourage investment, and support long-term economic growth. Last is exchange rate stability. Central banks also intervene in currency markets to stabilize exchange rates. Stable exchange rates reduce uncertainty in international trade and investment, fostering economic development by promoting confidence and predictability in cross-border transactions. Role of banks in supporting entrepreneurship and infrastructure. Banks play crucial roles in supporting entrepreneurship and infrastructure development. First is to access to capital. Banks provide loans and financial services to entrepreneurs and businesses, enabling them to invest in new ventures, expand operations, and create jobs. Access to capital is essential for entrepreneurial growth and innovation. Second, project financing. Banks finance infrastructure projects such as roads, bridges, energy facilities, and telecommunication networks. They provide long-term funding and expertise in assessing risk associated with large-scale projects, contributing to economic development by improving productivity and connectivity. Role of banks in job creation and financial inclusion. Banks contribute to job creation and financial inclusion in several ways. First, business financing. By providing financing to businesses, banks support job creation by facilitating expansions, hiring, and innovation. Small and medium-sized enterprises, or SMEs, particularly benefit from bank loans as they often lack access to other forms of financing. Second is financial inclusion. Banks play a vital role in promoting financial inclusion by expanding access to banking services such as savings accounts, credit, and payment systems to underserved populations. This includes rural communities, low-income individuals, and micro-entrepreneurs, helping them participate more fully in the economy and build financial stability.